Here is an interesting little simulation I found there from Phet out in Colorado, and the topic is limiting reagent. And what we'll do is we'll pretend that to make the sandwich, you need 2 pieces of bread and 1 piece of cheese. If we start off with 6 pieces of bread and 4 pieces of cheese, what we would like to know is how many sandwiches can you make? Well, the limiting reactant is the bread, because what you will do is you will run out of bread before you run out of cheese. We can argue that by saying that if we had as much bread as we needed, then the most number of sandwiches we could make would be 4. If we had as much cheese as we needed, the most number of sandwiches we could ever make would be 3. So the substance that is the limiting reactant is the bread. The excess is the cheese. The total number of sandwiches we can make is 3. And then we ask, what is the leftover reactant? The leftover reactant will be the cheese. And we figure if we use 6 pieces of bread, we will use 3 pieces of cheese. And then the math teaches us that if you take 4 and subtract 3 from it, you will have 1 piece of cheese left over. If in the process you drop one of the pieces of cheese or you drop one of the sandwiches onto the floor, then you really only can make 2 sandwiches because you're really not supposed to use the one that fell on the floor. So your percent yield would be 2 out of 3, which in America is a 66% yield. Save.